let's unbox some shit. All right. We have my old helmet, this HJC Motorsports helmet. Got this 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 2 years ago. I think has held up just fine for me. I am giving this to my son as we are here to unbox my new carbon fiber helmet by Bell here. Let's see, this is the M8 carbon. That's exactly what this is. So let's open this baby up and see what it is all about. You know, right. Now I have looked at this, full disclosure, while at the shop, the guys who were fitting my Hans device. I got that. So, all right, box, for what it's worth, looks like it keeps the helmet kind of protected there. You can kind of see the cushions in there, holding that. That's nice. I got a book, a manual. Who would have thought that like an owner's manual would need to be this thick here for this. Now I'm almost curious to look at this. So let's see here. I got some stickers. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you gotta have stickers. All right, now you know what? Fuck this shit. No, we got too much shit to do. Okay, so here we go. Bam, just like this. Ooh, feels pretty good when I do that in comparison to this, I think. Oh yeah. Yeah, at least maybe it's the placebo effect, or maybe it's the drink. All right, let's get this guy open. All right, so on site, the padding on the interior aspect of the helmet looks really good and all together, and I will do a side-by-side comparison to that. But look at that. Ooh-wee. That is good looking for reals. Oh man, this is nice. This is nice. It's light too. It's light. All right, so let's do a quick comparison. Yeah, this is definitely a bit heavier. Lord knows the actual weight or anything of that sort, but it is heavier. One of the things that I'm noticing already, and I'm not sure how this is pulling up on camera here, but the inside of this helmet here, it comes apart, like it's in pieces. And one thing I noticed is this guy here kind of like comes undone like that. As I put my helmet on, I just noticed that kind of comes out, ends up looking, you know, like this, and that irks me. So to see this Bell helmet have like a full, you know, saying like one piece, or you know, at least the pieces are separated down here, or whatnot. I guess overall, it definitely feels better constructed here. All right, let's put this thing on. We gotta get moving because we got a few other fucking things to get our asses into. So, all right, head sock. Gotta protect pulling on the hair here. All right. I'm gonna pull this thing closer. Let's get a little close. You know what I'm saying? All right, not bad. It's light, so that's nice. Okay. All right, so we'll have to take these stickers off, and we will take a look at that. I actually have my Hans device, so you know what? We're gonna do that as well. So let's put this off to the side and get this Hans device, and yeah. Ooh, I got some stuff up in here. So, this looks to be the tool of some sort. The Hans device that I got isn't your typical Hans device. It's the same type of device, but just made by a different company. So Stand 21 here. As I was trying both units on, this one just felt a little bit more comfortable to me. So I went with this. Wasn't gonna get caught up too much in like name brand. I wanted something that was comfortable. So here it is. There's nothing special about this. I mean, this guy's just, it is what it is. So there we go. That's gonna go like that. This helmet's gonna go on top of that. Let's actually put this all together, and then we can make a fool of myself as I jump in the car here. So as I do this, yeah, let's now we're good. All right, so now one of the things is like, as you guys will find out over some time, I'm not much of a do-it-yourselfer. Like, I like to do things myself, but I like to contract a lot of things out, and that's like even become like part of my nickname, actually, sadly, is Josh Contract That Out. So I want to try and do some things myself. I want to get my hands dirty, but I am gonna fumble, make mistakes, and confuse myself a million times, just like I am now. So let's, what in the world? I thought I knew what I was doing here. Am I pushing this in? I'm pushing that in. Okay, let's push this in. All right, yeah, I know I'm probably like scratching up this helmet, but oh well, it's paid for. There we go. All right, let's get the other one on. Okay, there we go. That's in there like that. So if you didn't see me fiddling around with this guy, this is what that is. That's how that's connected. I don't know why I still got that. Hold on. All right, so let's put this on like that. And then clear this one. And then put this one. That just came up in my head. Yep, yeah. That's awesome. There we go. Ah, boy, I feel like you've been here before. Okay. Feels different. Now, I got this, maybe a little bit much for something like autocross, some may say, but I am a disabled vet, have had neck surgery here, so this is not just for autocross, but forward thinking for like road course racing and such. I definitely want to be safe and protect myself there. So here is that. I can look around and all that stuff is good. The way that kind of looks behind side profile, no idea how that's turning out. Slide to the right. Anyway, okay. So let's move over to the car and actually I'm just gonna pick you up and take you with me. How about that? Let's oh shit, I'm tripping over let's do this here. We're gonna try and get this all in one shot because the boys running behind schedule. Oh, is that quite all right? Okay, come on. And then we should at least load one. So let's do that. Let's see. Okay, let's bring that closer. All right, yep. Professional shit here. Okay, so let's get. Okay, let's get comfortable. All right, I mean, I guess this is what it is. Feels all right. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'll be okay. It's not too limiting or restricting or anything of that sort. It's gonna keep me safe, so I guess mission accomplished here. Let me get the fuck out without knocking things the hell over. Yeah. Alright, let's kick it over here and wrap this baby up. So, bell helmet, awesome. Yeah. No complaints here. This thing kind of slides around now. Get used to lugging this thing around. And I don't know if that's going to cause things to scratch up. Actually, that feels kind of padded there or whatever, but nah, once you buy it, you bought it, and you can't expect things to stay perfect. So, similar to the car, man, bought this stuff to use it and enjoy it. So I'm going to do just that. So, all right. I am going to go through what is potentially next on the list of unboxing items, and we'll fire up another video. Thanks for checking this out, man. Josh, Pursued Racing, dope.